Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can search anything on Google Chrome with an image, right? So in my previous video I showed you how to set your Chrome to dark mode any website, and if you not watched that video I will urge you to go and watch it because it will really help you. Now if you come to this Chrome, when you go to your Chrome, you click on this sign here. I hope you can see this sign, this image sign. You tap on it, then you select any image of your choice. Let's just say you received a screenshot or any image and you don't really know what they mean, and you really want to know what the information is all about, where they generated the image or something. So once you tap it now, it will open, though I have granted access to my gallery, so you can do yours too. So I will be choosing this for the sake of this video. Now tap on this and it will load up. Okay, so once you must have selected the image you want to use, as you can see the lens activate and it will now load up. Right now you can see here, this is just a screenshot and I don't even know where this screenshot came from, but look at what it's telling me. The image displays details of a cryptocurrency token holding, showing the balance and value of a specific token. Now here is where they said more. I will now tap on more and I'll keep seeing more details about where this screenshot came from. Then you can see here, now this is their Reddit, now this is their Twitter handle, right? I'll now tap on the Twitter handle. Now this is taking me to the original place where this screenshot that I received, where it came from, right? So this is their Twitter handle. As you can see now, this is where this particular screenshot was gotten from. Meanwhile, I received it from a group, but through this process now I can actually detect the main person that posted it, where it is generated and why it is being posted. Right now I hope you can see that, so you can go and check this will really help you, to get track of whatever information you want to track, be it in a screenshot form or in a text form. If this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one. As I promise, I'll keep bringing you guys new updates.